हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका इस चैनल आई जिंदगी में। तो आज हम रिवीजन करेंगे बायोलॉजी का। बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स का रिवीजन कर रहे हैं हम। बायोलॉजी का रिवीजन करेंगे हम, बायोलॉजी सेक्शन का, क्योंकि साइंस एंड टेक से अच्छा खासा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, 30 क्वेश्चन लगभग। बायोलॉजी में भी 10-15 क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, अधिकतर बायोलॉजी से ही आता है, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री से थोड़ा कम आता है बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में। तो चलिए, विटामिन क्या होता है, विटामिन के बारे में जानते हैं। एक ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है जो रिक्वायर्ड होता है स्मॉल अमाउंट में हमारे डाइट में, वो मेंटेन करता है मेटाबॉलिक फंक्शन को, जिसे विटामिन कहते हैं। ये जो टर्म विटामिन है वो changed to vitamin when it was realized that not all vitamins are amines. Many vitamins act as a or converted into coenzymes. They neither provide energy nor are incorporated into tissues. These also regulate the biochemical process in the body. Vitamins are classified into two groups: fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. ये fat soluble vitamins है A, D, E, K. These are rich in liver cells. Water soluble vitamins सी और बी कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है। दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन मच स्मॉलर अमाउंट इन सेल्स। फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन्स, तो पहला है फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन, विटामिन ए। विटामिन ए जो है उसे रेटिनॉल भी कहा जाता है। डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज होता है विटामिन ए की कमी के कारण, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, रेडनेस इन आइज, जिसे एक्सोप्थेल्मिया भी कहते हैं, डिजनरेशन ऑफ लैक्रिमिनल ग्लैंड्स होता है। विटामिन डी जो है उसे कैल्सिफेरॉल भी कहा जाता है। डेफिशिएंसी जो होता है विटामिन डी की कमी से रिकेट्स होता है चिल्ड्रन में, और ऑस्टियोमेलेसिया होता है एडल्ट में। विटामिन ई जो होता है वो टोसोफेरल है, ऑल्सो मीन्स उसको बोला जाता है विटामिन ई को टोसोफेरल। और जो डेफिशिएंसी होता है मीन्स कमी के कारण जो प्रॉब्लम होता है वो स्टेरिलिटी होता है, न्यूट्रिशनल न्यूक्लियर डायस्ट्रोफी, न्यूरोसो न्यूरोसिस ऑफ हार्ट मसल्स। विटामिन के जो है उसे एंटी हेमोरेजिक भी कहा जाता है। और जो डेफिशिएंसी होता है विटामिन के कारण वो ब्लड कोएगुलेशन होता है, जो प्रिवेंट करता है ब्लड कोएगुलेशन को। और कंटिन्यूस जो ब्लीडिंग होते रहता है, कहीं से अगर आप कट जाते हैं तो ब्लीडिंग रुकता नहीं है विटामिन के कमी के कारण, इसलिए एंटी हेमोरेजिक विटामिन के को बोला जाता है। वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन जो है विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स, उसमें विटामिन की बी कॉम्प्लेक्स मिक्सचर है B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12 का। तो विटामिन B1 जो है, विटामिन B1 थायमिन उसे कहते हैं। डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज जो है वो बैरी डिजीज वो होता है विटामिन B1 के कारण, वो लेग में अफेक्ट करता है। विटामिन B2 जो है वो उसे राइबोफ्लेविन भी कहा जाता है। और डेफिशिएंसी जो होता है मीन्स कमी के कारण जो विटामिन B2 का वो डार्क रेड टंग में हो जाता है, डर्मेटाइटिस होता है, सिलोसिस होता है जो कि कॉर्नर ऑफ माउथ और लिप्स में होता है। विटामिन B3 जो होता है वो पेंटोथेनिक एसिड भी उसे कहते हैं। डेफिशिएंसी जो होता है विटामिन B3 के कारण वो बर्निंग होता है, सेंसेशन होता है पेट में। विटामिन B5 जो है वो निकोटोनिक एसिड और नियासिन उसे कहते हैं। और डेफिशिएंसी जो होता है वो पेलेग्रा डर्मेटिटिस डायरिया होता है। विटामिन B6 जो है, विटामिन B6 को पायरियोडैक्सिन भी कहते हैं। डेफिशिएंसी कमी होने के कारण डर्मेटिटिस एंड कन्वल्सन्स होता है। विटामिन B7 जो है उसे बायोटिन कहा जाता है, वो कंसिडर किया जाता है विटामिन BH। और जो डेफिशिएंसी मीन्स उसके कारण डर्मेटिटिस होता है, ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल इंक्रीज होता है, लॉस ऑफ हेयर होता है, पैरालिसिस होता है विटामिन B7 की कमी के कारण। विटामिन B7 को बायोटिन भी कहा जाता है। विटामिन B9 जो है उसे फॉलिक एसिड कहा जाता है। वो डेफिशिएंसी के कारण एनीमिया होता है, एनीमिया होता है, इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ टंग होता है, गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल डिसऑर्डर होता है। विटामिन B12 जो है उसे साइनोकोबल एमाइन भी कहते हैं। जो डेफिशिएंसी उसके होने के कारण परनीशियस एनीमिया होता है, हाइपरग्लाइसेमिया होता है। विटामिन B सी जो उसे एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड भी कहा जाता है। और जो कमी होने के कारण स्कर्बी, डिले इन वुंड हेलिंग होता है। ह्यूमन डिजीज जो फंगी के द्वारा होता है, जैसे कि रिंगवर्म कॉज्ड बाय माइक्रोस्पोरम, ट्रिकोफाइटन by direct contact from unbathed cats and dogs or objects handled by infected individual. Athlete's foot जो caused by trichopython by bad foot hygiene where skin remains warm and moist for long periods. फंगी फाइंड्स ऑप्टिमल कंडीशन इन वेट डेड आउटर लेयर ऑफ स्किन। तो ये एथलीट्स फुट जो होता है, ये खासकर हम आर्मी अपने जो जंगलों में रहते हैं हमेशा जूता पहन के, तो उनको होता है ये ट्राइकोफाइटन, जो बैड फूड हाइजीन है होने के कारण। ह्यूमन डिजीज जो कॉज्ड बाय वायरसेस, स्मॉल पॉक्स कॉज्ड बाय वेरियोला वायरस बाय डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट ड्रॉपलेट्स इंडायरेक्टेड बाय इन्फेक्टेड आर्टिकल्स। चिकन पॉक्स जो है वो कॉज्ड बाय वेरिसिला वायरस बाय डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट, डायरेक्ट डायरेक्टेड बाय इन्फेक्टेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स। कॉमन कोल्ड जो है कॉज्ड बाय राइनो वायरस बाय कॉन्टैक्ट। इनोफ्लुएंजा और फ्लू कॉज्ड बाय ऑर्थो ऑर्थो ऑर्थोमेक्सोवायरस बाय इन कॉन्टैक्ट डायरेक्ट droplets virus transmitted through discharge from respiratory tracts of person infected with disease. मम्प्स जो है वो मम्प्स जो वायरस डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट के कारण होता है, वायरस जो सलीवा में होता है और जो सेक्रेशन होता है नोज से इन्वर्ट करता है सैलिवरी ग्लैंड में। और जो वायरस इंसेफेलिटिस होता है वो कॉज किया जाता है इंसेफेलिटिस वायरस के द्वारा, जिसे आर्बो वायरस भी कहते हैं, जो सम डोमेस्टिक एनिमल में होता है, रिजर्वियर ऑफ वायरस में ट्रांसमिट किया जाता है मॉस्किटो जो बाइट करता है मैन को। पोलियोमाइलिटिस जो होता है वो कॉज किया जाता है पोलियो वायरस के द्वारा, जो कांटेक्ट में आता है हाउस फ्लाइज, फ्लीज, ब्लड एंड वाटर के थ्रू, फूड एंड वाटर के थ्रू। रेबीज जो है हाइड्रोफोबिया उसे कहते हैं, कॉज किया जाता है रेबीज वायरस के थ्रू, जिसे रेबडो वायरस जो बाइट बाय अ मैड रैबिट डॉग, रेबीज जो होता है वो पागल कुत्ते के काटने से होता है। डेंगू जो है फीवर और ब्रेकबोन फीवर होता है कॉज्ड बाय डेंगू वायरस, जिसे आर्बो वायरस भी कहते हैं, बाय मॉस्किटो एडस बाइट। एक्वायर्ड जो इम्यूनो डेफिशिएंसी सिंड्रोम एआईडीज मींस एड्स है, जो कॉज किया जाता है ह्यूमन टी सेल के द्वारा। लैंकमेनिया वायरस जो है HTLV also called LAV retrovirus by blood and sperm among homosexual heterosexual intravenous drug user hemophilus pernicious individual and prostitutes. Leishmania virus (HTLV) also called LAV retrovirus by blood and sperm among homosexual heterosexual intravenous drug users hemophilus pernicious individual and human disease caused by bacteria. Septic sore throat caused by Streptococcus sp by bacteria infect throat and nasal membranes by droplet and direct contact. Diphtheria caused by irregular rod Corynebacterium. Diphtheria by bacteria infect respiratory tract by carrier through contact droplets and food items. Pneumonia caused by Diplossus pneumonia by bacteria transmitted to respiratory tracts including the lung by droplet infection. Tuberculosis जो है वो irregular rod Mycobacterium tuberculosis जो है वो बैक्टीरिया ट्रांसमिट करता है लंग्स में और जो बोन्स एंड अदर ऑर्गन में बाय डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन फूड एंड मिल्क। प्लेग और बुबोनिक जो है वो शॉर्ट एंड रेड रोड Yersinia pestis by red plate spread disease from rat to man। टिटेनस जो है और लॉक जो caused by Clostridium tetani by bacteria in soil enter through wounds। टाइफाइड जो है वो एंड्रिक फीवर caused by Salmonella typhi by flies food feces water and carriers। Cholera caused by Vibrio cholera by flies food stools water and carriers। Bacillary dysentery caused by short rod Shigella dysentery by flies, food, feces, water and carriers। Whooping cough जो होता है caused by small short rod Haemophilus pertussis by droplets protected during coughing and sneezing। Syphilis जो है वो होता है spiral shaped organism Triphaena pallidum by direct contact syphilis sexual intercourse के दौरान। Leprosy caused by Mycobacterium leprae by long and long close contact with infected person। Botulism caused by Clostridium botulinum by organism produce poison in food। Human disease caused by protozoa। Amoebic dysentery amoebiasis caused by Entamoeba histolytica by transmission from man to man through ingestion of cyst in drinking water, vegetables and food contaminated with feces। Diarrhea giardiasis caused by Giardia intestinale by transmission from man to man through ingestion by cyst in drinking water, vegetables and food contaminated with feces। Malaria caused by Plasmodium vivax by transmitted to man by bite of an infected female Oephilus mosquito। Sleeping sickness Trypanosomiasis caused by Trypanosoma bruceo by transmitted by bite of sitfly fly। Some important information fact related to biology. Melvin Calvin was awarded Nobel Prize for his work on photosynthesis. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia and the smallest one is Wolfesia. Penicillin is obtained from Penicillium notatum. Aspirin derived from the plant serpentine is used to alleviate high blood pressure. Plants living in acidic soils are called oxalophytes. Photosynthesis is most active in blue and red light, in which light energy is converted into chemical energy and O2 is not a limiting process during this process. The smaller bone lies steps is found in the human ear. The smallest bone lies steps is found in the human ear। क्वेश्चन आता है स्मॉलेस्ट बोन हमारे शरीर में कौन सा है, तो ये स्टेप्स है जो हमारे ईयर में पाया जाता है। एंजाइम्स आर बेसिकली प्रोटीन्स। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज कॉल्ड द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल। पैनक्रियाज इज बोथ एन एंडोक्राइन एंड एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड। Person of blood group O are called universal donor, while that of AB are called universal acceptor। Seedless fruits are formed by parthenogenesis। Simple plants that contain no chlorophyll are called fungi। Asparagia is commonly known as pond silk. The longest muscle in the human body is found in thigh. In a leaf, the opening between two guards is called stomata. Gibberellins are responsible for cell elongation. The chemical name of chlorophyll is magnesium dihydropropysin। Bile is produced in liver and stored in gallbladder. All arteries except pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. All arteries except pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. The main function of WBC, white blood cell, is to produce antibodies. Retina is the eye. In the eye, act as a film in the camera. Human tears contain a mild antibacterial agent named lysozyme. Human tears contain a mild antibacterial agent named lysozyme. The biggest bone in the human body is femur. The biggest bone in the human body is femur. Smallest steps in the ear. Vitamin B12 is almost never found in plants. Agroastrology is the study of grasses. Psychology is the study of algae. Is the study of fossils is called plantology. Hydroponics is cultivating plants without using soil. Paleobotany is the study of fossils of botanical specimens. Pepsin and lactose enzymes are on proteins in the digestive system. The water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C. A chemical change in DNA molecule is called mutation. Glycogen acts as a short-term food reserve in animals. Estrogen is a female sex hormone. The enzyme amylases acid in the digestion of starch. ATP synthesis takes place in mitochondria. 70% of the body weight of a man is a water. The tough, transparent member that protects the eyeball is called cornea. Energy is produced in human body by carbohydrates. Sugar is the product of the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Important one-liner type question. Banana prickle, a plant disease is caused by fungus. What is the scientific name of neem? Achardica indica. Who discovered the bacteria? Van Leeuwenhoek. To which phylum does the amoeba belong? Protozoa. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution? Norman Jansen Borlaug. Pneumonia affects which part of the human body? Lungs. Pneumonia affects which part of the human body? Lungs. Who is known as the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. Which is the second largest gland of the human body? Pancreas. The deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Which drug is yielded from cinchona tree to cure malaria? Quinine. Which drug is yielded from cinchona tree to malaria? Quinine. What is the common name of the retinol? Vitamin A. Human skin have three layers. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Beetroot is which portion of the plant? Taproot. Gene is the basic unit of heredity. Who is also known as the father of microbiology? Van Leeuwenhoek. Which scientist had developed the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin. Which scientist had developed the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin. Which branch of science is concerned with the classification of organisms? Taxonomy. In plants, respiration takes place through stomata. Dermatitis is a fungal disease in which form glucose is stored in our body. Glycogen. Plants synthesize protein from amino acid. Which organism is also known as the biochemical laboratory of the human body? Liver. What is the responsible for the yellow color of the urine? Urochrome. Who discovered the antibiotics? Alexander Fleming. The functional unit of a kidney is known as nephrons. Leprosy, leprosy is caused by bacteria. Lipase, the fat digesting enzyme, is secreted by pancreas. Lipase, fat digesting enzyme is secreted by pancreas. Scientists who proposed the cell theory: Theodor Schwann and Matthias Jacob Silden. Who proposes the mutation theory? Hugo de Voriaz. What does the ATP stand for? Adenosine triphosphate. Which bacteria cause typhoid? Salmonella typhi. Who wrote Systema Nature? Carl Linnaeus. Acacia arabica is the scientific name of the which plant? Bawul tree. Acacia arabica is the scientific name of the plant. Bawul tree. Who coined the term ecology? Ernst Haeckel. Who coined the term ecology? Ernst Haeckel. Johannes Frederick Mr. discovered the nucleic acid. Johannes Frederick Mr. discovered the nucleic acid. The study of classification of organisms known as taxonomy, which is the confirmatory test for AIDS. ELISA. Jute is obtained from which part of the plant? Stem. Which plant is also called the herbal Indian Dr. Amla? What is the energy currency of the cell? ATP. Which human gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Pancreas. Which pigment is responsible for the color of the skin? Melanin. Which pigment is responsible for the yellow color of urine? Urochrome. Which organ breaks fat to produce cholesterol? Liver. Quinine is used in the treatment of disease malaria. Quinine is used in the treatment of disease. Which disease? Malaria. which is also known as the tear gland of the human body, lacrimal gland. What is the name of the first test tube baby? Louisa Joy Brown. Which gland is also known as a ductless gland, endocrine gland? The green color of the leaves is due to chlorophyll. Well, Wills disease is caused due to the infection bacterial. Who invented the stethoscope? René Laennec. Her Govind Khurana shared the Nobel Prize in the field of physiology, medicine. Lactose is also known as the milk sugar. Aedes mosquito is the carrier of Zika virus, which is the largest artery in the human body, aorta. What kind of process of fermentation is anaerobic respiration? Quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona. Important objective type question. DOTS is a treatment given to patients suffering from tuberculosis. Polyploidy arises due to the change in the number of chromatids. The suicidal bag of the cells are lysosomes. Who among the following is credited with starting the work on the plant tissue culture? Herbert Land. Which of the following uses the sperm mechanism to duplicate itself? Worm. What is the main purpose of the white blood corpuscles? To combat infection. The layer where the decrease in temperature with the increasing altitude is totally absent is stratosphere. Siderosis is a disease. The layer where the decrease in temperature with the increasing altitude is totally absent, stratosphere. Siderosis is a disease caused by the inhalation of iron dust. Siderosis disease caused by inhalation of iron dust. Largest artery in human body is aorta. Nitrification in the biological process of converting ammonia to nitrate. Blood is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Which one of the following events in a botanical garden is never directly influenced by light fertilization? Which of the following is usually not an air pollutant? Nitrous oxide. Which of the following is the treatment of water pollution? Reverse osmosis. Which cell in pancreas produces insulin? Isolate of the Langerhans. The waste management technique that involves the use of microorganisms to remove or neutralize pollutant from contaminated site is called bioremediation. The source of energy that causes the least global warming is geothermal energy. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from water. The term Higgs boson is associated with the God particle. The hormone that stimulates heartbeat is thyroxine. The presence of air bubble in bloodstream is dangerous to life because the flow of blood is obstructed. The presence of air bubble in bloodstream is dangerous because the flow of blood is obstructed. The study of relation of animals and plants to their surroundings is called ecology. Which of the following plays an important role in photosynthesis? Chloroplast. The xylem in plants are responsible for transport of water. Project Sankalp started from the purpose of to eliminate AIDS or HIV. Which of the following bacterium causes crown? Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Eustachian tube is located in which part of the human body? Ear. Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. Which part of the brain plays an important role in motor control? Cerebellum. Mammalian glands are located in eye. Which of the following vitamins are water soluble? Vitamin B and vitamin C. Sphagometer measure the blood pressure in the arteries. The reverse effect of X-ray emission is photoelectric effect. The connective tissue that the reverse effect of X-ray emission is photoelectric effect. The connective tissue that connects a muscle to bone is tendon. The connective tissue that connects a muscle to a bone is tendon. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine. Which organ get affected in Wills disease? Kidney. What does the term Ebola stand for? A viral disease outbreak in West Africa. The virus of AIDS affects the growth of T cells in blood. Which enzyme is present in all members of the animal kingdom except protozoa? MLS. Motor cortex are associated with which part of the brain? Frontal lobe. Motor cortex are associated with which part of the brain? Frontal lobe. The food in onion is stored in the form of cellulose. Sludge is a byproduct of sewage treatment and can be decomposed to produce biogas. Decoding and interpretation of visual information in brain is associated with the temporal lobe. Blood group are discovered by the Landsteiner. A genetically engineered form of brinjal known as the Betty brinjal has been developed. The objective of this is to make it pest resistant. The element known as primary nutrients for plants: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Bacterial decomposition of biological material under anaerobic aspiration condition is fermentation. The most serious air pollutant causing health hazard is sulfur dioxide. Companion cells are unique to angiosperms. Lacrimal glands are situated in the high orbit. Depletion of ozone layer causes skin cancer. Majority of the fungal biotin of the lichen belongs to asomycetes. Which of the following has open vascular system? Cockroach. Cockroach has open vascular system. The human faces is yellow in color due to the presence of pigment called urobilin. The human faces is yellow in color due to the presence of pigment called urobilin. What is the contained in chlorophyll? Magnesium. Epigraphy is the study of which of the following. Inscription. Why is carbon monoxide a pollutant? React with hemoglobin. Root cap is derived from Calprotrozen, which mosquito is the carrier of Zika virus. AIDS. Pneumonia is a bacterial disease caused by the type of bacteria called Cocci. If waste material contaminate the source of drinking water, which of the following disease will spread? Typhoid. Science dealing with the study of soil is called pedology. Ornithology is affected by birds. The sexual reproduction organ of Aspergillus are Antheridium and Aspogonium. Silkworm feed on mulberry leaves. तो ये था हमारा बायोलॉजी का साइंस एंड टेक पोर्शन। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इतना ही से क्वेश्चन आएंगे हमारे बीपीएससी प्रीलिम में। बेसिक बेसिक क्वेश्चन आते हैं इसी टाइप के जो हमने अभी रिवीजन किया। तो चलिए अभी फिर नेक्स्ट सेशन में फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री करूँगा। फिजिक्स अलग से, केमिस्ट्री अलग से, क्योंकि थोड़ा लंबा हो जाता है वीडियो। ये बायोलॉजी का सेशन था। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा हो तो लाइक जरूर करें, शेयर कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें इसी तरह के बीपीएससी प्रीलिम से रिलेटेड सीरीज पाने के लिए। ये जो बायोलॉजी का सीरीज है ये आगे जाके कोई भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में आपको काम आने वाला है गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज के लिए, क्योंकि इसी तरह के बेसिक क्वेश्चन हर गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज में पूछे जाते हैं। तो चलिए विदा लेता हूँ। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।